Honestly, guys, it felt like I was working in a war zone.
I have some tears and crying right now because I'm so tired.
A life saved from COVID-19 requires others accepting the risk of self-sacrifice.
For me to say I don't feel fear going into a room or anxiety, that my heart doesn't start pounding and my stomach doesn't turn is a lie.
Canadian nurse Susan SORRENTI knows better than most the price of caring for highly infectious patients. In 2003, she contracted SARS while working at a Toronto hospital. She was then hospitalized for 17 days.
That experience was devastating to me. I don't think without any kind of psychological help I could have got through it.
Post-traumatic stress disorder is a common side effect of working on the medical front lines. Luc LEBAS is an ER doctor in New Orleans, treating an influx of COVID patients in addition to the routine cases of shootings and stabbings.
There's no way to come out of this normal, at least not having something kind of affecting your psyche. And that's even before the pandemic started.
Now, with the coronavirus overwhelming some North American hospitals, medical staff face the additional trauma of working without professional protective gear, and soon may have to choose who lives and who dies.
We're putting our own families at risk. And so when we then, quote unquote, pull the plug on somebody, it's hard to think about, well, is my elderly mother who lives with me going to be in this situation a week from now? Am I going to be the doctor that makes this decision for her?
Mental health experts say an entire generation of medical workers will likely suffer prolonged psychological effects from working through this pandemic. But that hasn't stopped SORRENTI, the nurse who survived SARS, from extending her 27-year career a bit longer to meet the need.
I was actually scheduled to retire in June, which I postponed because it's like, well, I can't walk out now.
In the meantime, communities coming together to thank hospital workers are daily reminders of the public's appreciation for their compassion, perseverance, and bravery. Heidi Zhou-Castro, Al Jazeera, Washington.